My name is Brian. I'll be your furniture repair technician. Today, we'll show you how to replace the mechanism inside a reclining sofa. The mechanism inside a reclining sofa is responsible for the sofa's reclining function. There is one mechanism for each seat that reclines. First, I'll set up my safe workspace inside the boundary of a padded blanket. Then, I'll tilt the sofa onto its front, exposing the mechanism underneath. Next, I'll remove the staples securing the back upholstery to the frame. I unbolt the mechanism from the frame rail. This will allow me to separate this individual seat from the rest of the sofa. I'll remove the staples which attached the upholstery to the seat's frame, allowing me to access the inside of the piece and the screws holding the backrest to the seat frame. After this, I'll unbolt the footrest from the mechanism. The next step will be to unbolt the backrest from the seat. Moving back to the mechanism, I'll use pliers to unclip the activator cable from the mechanism by pressing on the tabs. I'll remove the screws attaching the mech to the seat frame. Finally, I'll remove the mechanism from the unit by lifting it away. The process of reassembling the sofa is the same, but in reverse. I'll begin by bolting the new mechanism to the seat. I will then attach the clip on the activator cable and feed the end into the unit. Bolt the footrest back on, and then bolt the backrest to the seat. Using a staple gun, I'll resecure the upholstery to the frame. The final step is to connect the seat back to the rest of the sofa. I'll do this by reattaching the bolts securing the mechanism to the frame. And that's how to replace a mechanism in a reclining sofa. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your furniture.